Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto E32s, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So firstly, open Play Store and find the third theme in our top. It's Niagara Launcher. Find it in the Play Store, click Install. And click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Choose your favorite tabs here and click OK. Great, as you can see here we have favorite applications. Here we have the search using normal search, and here we have alphabetical line search. I think the best feature of this launcher, because we can easily find any application. For example, I want to find Play Store. I'm just tapping on this alphabetical line and dragging it to P button. Great, that's it. On the second place is in my top is Smart Launcher 6, so just find it, Smart Launcher 6, open it, click Get Started, I agree, confirm, continue while using allow. You can set up suggested wallpapers, click on the cross, and great, as you can see here we have really beautiful interface with really cool and handy app copying features. Here we have all our connections, here we have internet, games, media, utilities and settings. And if you want to find, I don't know, any application, you can use, oh my gosh, so sorry. You need to click on the search button, and here, for example, if you want to find Play Store, just click P, play, and great. So fine. And on the first place is Launcher Launcher. So just find it. This is the Pixel style launcher. As you can see, here we have normal Pixel style launcher. Here we can set up everything. We can set up display layout. We can set up everything here. But as you can see, now I don't know why, but now we have February 2023. Now this launcher is not working on Helio processors. I don't know why, but it's true. This launcher is not working now on any Motorola Helio devices. So maybe if you will see this video later, I suggest you to try this launcher using in pair with viral icon pack. I really love this icon pack, and I really love this launcher because this launcher you can use in pair with this icon pack. So just install it and click set this icon pack to my home screen. But now I will show you best launcher for this device if launcher is not working. So find Microsoft Launcher. Find it and click install. Click open. Click get started. While using the app, allow. Continue. You can connect it to the Microsoft account. In this way you will be able to use your phone in pair with your Windows device. Click let's go, set as default, Microsoft. Great. So as you can see, here we have glance panel. In glance we can set up all our favorite widgets. Here we have news. Here we have our main menu. We can set up it in the way we want. We can hide applications here. We can set up why I love this launcher, because we can set up gestures here. For example, I want to open Chrome using just 2 finger swipe from down to up, and as you can see, Chrome is opened. So it's very easy to do, and you can do it on any screen. So for example, we can add new screen. We can do it everything. And I really love this launcher because you can set up everything here in the settings. You can stop layout, you can stop wallpapers, you can stop themes, and of course you have here wallpaper icon. So by using this icon, you can change your wallpapers to any other beautiful random. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.